whether hotel industry will be threatened by Airbnb industry. Yes, Airbnb is actually threatening the hotel industry, but it will not overtake hotel. And here's why. Normally, Airbnbs are pet friendly. Of course, it depends on which condo you're staying, but some of the Airbnbs are actually landed properties. Like you have a lot of bungalows that are actually renting out for team building or whatsoever, or maybe just a big family staycation. So generally, all of these Airbnbs are mostly pet friendly. Of course, it depends on the owners as well, but at least you can bring your pet along. Like if you were to bring your pet dog or pet cat to a particular hotel, this will definitely not happen unless it's pet friendly hotel, which is very rare in Malaysia. The Airbnb makes the ones who is staying feels like locals. Just give an example. When I travel to other countries, right? Generally, yes, last time we stay in hotels, but generally nowadays we like to stay in Airbnb because when you travel to that particular country, we want to enjoy the scenery, want to enjoy their food. So we want to feel like locals in that particular country. But if it's a hotel, people, for example, there's taxi in front, sometimes or most of the time they'll cut throat. They say, oh, it doesn't confirm it's tourists. They want to cut your throat in terms of the pricing. But for Airbnb wise, we can really just immerse ourselves, basically localizing ourselves in that particular country. So I think Airbnb actually brings this plus point to us as well.